Welcome home, Bitcoin truth seekers. It is Sunday, November 15th, 1:02 p.m. here in the Arizona desert, where it's getting to be winter. Check it out. The market, pretty red today, with the Bitcoin dominance right now at 66.68%. Well, the market's going to do what it does for the most part, except for the occasional alt that goes the other way. But as we can see, red day in the market. Last 24 hours, Bitcoin down 1%, coming in at 15,666. So dominance 66.6%, and it was just at 15,666. Okay, so Bitcoin on the dark side today. All right. Oh, and also you have to say Ethereum down 3.7%. Unfortunately, it's lost that $450 psychological barrier, so it's $443. XRP holding on to that 26-cent mark like a little fighter, like a little globalist shitcoin warrior. All right, 1,096,000. Pretty rockin' volume for a Sunday. Binance 708 million. Coinbase 123 million. Where all that beautiful volume is on Binance. Let's refresh real quick. What is long versus short sentiment? 49% long, 50% shorts. I'm going to call that indecisive with a tendency to be a bit of a pessimist. Okay. All right, gold. The market's closed. What am I doing? Today, if you wanted to buy a Bitcoin with gold, it would be 8.4 coins. How you'd ever get 0.4, I have no idea. All right, on the daily chart, this is a big deal. We're not quite holding on to this $16,000 mark. So on the daily chart, we've had this beautiful upwards channel, rocking, beautiful, love it, dig it. But of course, we wicked under it yesterday. The day before that, we did after a very strong, break above. Anyway, this is the heartbeat of the channel right here. We're visiting that. So right now, it's all about whether we bounce, and I'm going to take a look at some of the ways we could bounce. Okay. MACD is definitely trending towards the negative. If that does cross negative, expect a lot of swingers, day trade swingers to hop out. A lot of people do auto trade in and out on that daily MACD. So if you think it's definitely going to make that cross, beware. 4-hour MACD, definitely on the negative side. You can see on the 4-hour chart the $16,000 line. We're below it. It's starting to become a bit of resistance that Bitcoin's having a hard time getting back over. Let's look at the 2-hour chart for super immediate price action. There's that glorious $16,000 mark. As you can see, Bitcoin's having a hard time getting back over it. There's definitely some resistance there. Can we break through it? Looking at the MACD, let me spread this open. Yeah, definitely it's below the mid-range and it's crossed negative for sure. Not too beautiful. What I'm looking at here, okay, for on the 45-minute chart, exactly, massively, super short time frame, I know, but the 45-minute chart for immediate price action really, really rocks for Bitcoin. Okay, so check this out. The white moving average here is the 200 moving average, and I would pull this out so you could see more of it, but you've seen it before, and my GPU is kind of maxing out here, so I'm not going to do that. But as you can see, we tend to bounce off this 200 moving average with a slight wick below. Okay, and we're heading towards it again on this beautiful upwards channel we've been on for many days here on the 45-minute chart. Let me see if I can, without blowing myself up here. Okay, perfect, it worked. So there we go, beautiful upwards channel. You can see we break below that 200 moving average once in a while, but we've been keeping above it. Like right now, we are below the mid-range of this channel. We're heading towards the 200 moving average, and basically it's right around the 200 moving average is around 15,775. So 15,775 to 15,780. If we can wick below that and make a bounce and keep back up, we're strong. I mean, it is Sunday. There's not a lot of trading volume. Do note this, okay? This, if I can find a little thing here, check this out. Today, right here, looks a lot like right here. You come in towards the end of that week, the volume gets a little bit low, boom, you get a bounce. Now we're coming into the end of this week, and boom, maybe we'll get a bounce. We shall see. The directional index sucks, ADX sucks, but the stochastic and the RSI is definitely at the bottom where it has a lot of room to move up. Myself, I ain't doing nothing. I'm not going to buy this dip, I'm not going to short, I'm not going long. I'm going to just see what happens. My HODL is there. I'm not swinging this because basically we're going into Monday. We could very well get a bounce. This sucker could be at 16,000 in 12 minutes. Okay, so it's Sunday. Go enjoy life, everybody. And let's pick this up on Monday and see which direction Bitcoin's decided to go. Hey, BitcoinDailyView.com. Check it out. All the cool things that I like. Links to the Telegram group for the Bitcoin Daily View and all kinds of glorious, glorious fun stuff that I like and endorse, and links to all the cool indicators I use and different charts that I like to look at. I will see you Monday. Take care. Tradegenius.com. I'm a member. I dig it. Whether you're a crypto trader or a traditional market trader, they got more for you. There's some amazing packages right now that are on special. Check them out. Bob Kudla, one of the founders, Strategy for the Win During Election Volatility, was an interview we just did on Radiant Creators, my podcast. Win in life, win in the market, win in happiness. Check this interview out. These are some of the Trade Genius indicators. The price fulcrum and the profit ribbon. Basically, you can see the profit ribbon here rolling green to red, and you can see the price fulcrum changing. Whoa, look at that, from green to red. A big sell signal, pick up that buy signal, pick up the sell, pick up the buy, boom, you'd still be in on the daily right now, making mad profits. That's a daily. You want to play the 4-hour chart? You can do that too. Thanks for watching. I will see you on the other end of the extra mile at Tradegenius.com. Come join the team. Come in for the big win. I'm rooting for you. Get over here.